back to my channel. Of course, this is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, but if you're old, what a goodie, welcome back. So guys, today I'm at Hedonism 2 for the third time. Yes, you heard me right. I'm at Hedonism 2 for the third time, and I'm just excited a bit, but I'm sad a bit. If y'all been following me, you know why, but I'm just gonna make the best of this. I'm gonna try to be happy, and I'm just gonna try to enjoy myself. I'm in the restroom. Let me turn the camera real quick so you guys can see that. This is the restroom. This is where I'm at the moment at Hedo, because I decided I'm trying my best not to get anybody in my shots. And oops, got my YouTube ID here as well, because I told them I was going to make videos. They agreed. So yeah guys, let's get back to business. So yeah guys, I decided to have seafood. She's making it from, oh, hello, I'm over here. What is she doing? Right, so I told her I want seafood. She's making it from scratch. I'm gonna go back out to see how far she is with my food, and then guys, when I'm ready to eat, I'll show y'all what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is another section of Hedo that did not show the last time, so I'm trying to give y'all the full experience. As y'all can see, it's setting up to rain, so I'm kind of trying to hurry up. But this is another place at Hedo that you can come and enjoy yourself. As y'all can see, it's freaking amazing. I did come here the last time, but just did not film it. This is where you can play games right here, and y'all have another section that you can chill and relax at. Let me put the camera right. That is perfect. That right there is perfect. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, what's this side? Okay, so that's their gift shop. That's their gift shop, guys. I went in there already, but I don't think you can go in there with your phone to take pictures and whatever. So this is the view from here. Just freaking amazing. Very cute. Very chic. I can't wait to see my room, y'all. They have a games room as well over here. So let me show you a little bit of their games room. Since nobody's here, I'm trying to get everything when there's nobody here, because I don't want to capture anybody. Okay, this is the games room. I'm trying to make small clippings at a time, so it's easier for me to navigate my cam and to edit also. Okay, I wanted to go in the gym as well, yeah, but I don't feel like that's gonna be possible right now, because like I stated, I'm trying not to get anybody unnecessarily into my video clips.
Seafood mix. It has shrimp, scallop, calamari, fish, salmon, and so on. And those are the veggies.
Okay, so I couldn't just get one thing, just a shrimp, if I wanted just a shrimp, no?
No, it's all mixed up. It's all mixed. To have the shrimp only, you would have to have a lot of shrimp.
Okay, you do it. Do it.
Seafood?
Yeah, seafood.
You need garlic?
Yes, please. Okay, so I decided to have some seafood, some pasta. She's gonna make it from scratch, y'all, so I'm excited about that. Any shrimp, obviously. Yes, penne pasta, please.
Are you enjoying it so far?
Good. This is actually my third time here. Yes, I love Hedo. I love it here. I love it here.
I know why.
Oh yeah, and I'm not talking about that side. I am not talking about that side at all.
You go in that side?
The nude side. The nude side.
Oh. Oh.
I don't even know what over there looks like.
Yeah?
I've never been over there. Nope. Ooh, she got skills, y'all. She got skills. I like it. Yes.
I just a little pepper, but not too much.
Okay, that's fine.
Some more.
That looks so good.
Please?
Yes, please.
You want me to add the pepper? Or that's good?
No, that's good. That's good. That is good. Thank you so much. Same to you.
Yeah.
Come on, focus, baby. Focus. Oh, there we go.